Hey guys, I'm Sherry Criswell, independent designer for Chalk Couture. I'm going to do a quick video, but I thought I'd tell you what I'm doing real quick. I'm making a riser, so when you put some of your creative crafts on display, like on a shelf or a cabinet or tabletop, you want to display them some at different heights and groupings. So what I'm making is like a riser, and I'm going to put just little feet on them. So it makes it a little bit higher than the ground that you're on. And what I use, I think this is a 1x8 because it is, it measures about 7 1/4 because it always ends up smaller than what it says. So we did that. My husband sanded, rounded the corners and everything. And then I took acrylic paint and painted it. And then on top of it, I just kind of did a whitewash, which is a white or an off-white paint. And I watered it down and brushed it on and wiped some of it off. Okay, so let's decorate it.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end.